this is Tiffany and we will unbox today the DJI Mini 4K drone. I bought a Flymore combo bundle Flymore and it costs I think $699 I bought in Good Guys here in Australia. So let's unbox it with me. It's so hard to do it. To seal it, take out the seal, and okay, guys, this is scan QR code before first use. So this, you need to scan this and you need to download the Flymore app. And before I start, guys, before you unbox your DJI Mini drone, you need to do the insurance from DJI Refresh. Check their website and see what kind of insurance you get there. Thanks. It comes with this bag, guys. This one. And look, let's see inside. There's a spare here. And you can put any of the chargers, batteries in there, or anything from this one. And this is the first we see cable. It comes with cable, USB cable, I think so, C-type cable. Then I don't know what is this. It's a connector. It's 1, 2, 2. And this is the drone, what is it? Propeller. It comes with 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the screwdriver. And the rest, let's see. This is the controller. And you can install, put your phone in it. Here you go. And it comes with 3-pack of battery. If you buy the Flymore combo, guys, it comes with 3-pack of battery in it. If you buy only the 4991, it's only 2 battery, but this one is come with the 3, and the other one in the drone. And this is the drone, guys. This is a DJI Mini 4K mini drone, and this is looks like. And look, guys. I think you need to take out this one. And shit, what happened here? I think you need to take out this one also. This is the gimbal of the drone, and this is a protector. And a lot of stickers, guys. You need to take it out before you're using it. And this one. And the last sticker, guys, is here. Look, guys, this is looks like, but you need to open up this one, guys. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.